What the hell?
Hey guys! A little over a year ago, B and I bought our first house, which is just bananas. We're homeowners, that's crazy. One of the best things about this house is that it's big enough that we each can kind of have our own space, a whole area to just like go off, fill it up with stuff that we each kind of like individually. Obviously, this princess room is my space. My space? B's space is our garage, which he has turned into his gym. He spends a ton of time out there and he has collected like a lot of cool equipment over the past year, but it still looks like a garage, you know? My dude's got a birthday coming up. I was thinking that I might go all HGTV in this video and secretly make over his gym. I'm so bad at surprises. I hope this works. Okay. Here's my vision. He loves the Carolina Panthers football team. I mean, we both do, TBH. And he has a little bit of Panthers kind of decor out there already. So I want to keep that color scheme. Paint the walls maybe like a light gray to kind of complement the team colors. Ooh, I want to do a chalkboard wall so that he can keep track of his lifting progress and stuff like right up on the wall. I think that'd be really, really cool. And of course, I want to clean and organize all of the garage junk. There's some of that. I think this is gonna be a pretty big job. This is probably gonna take me a few days. And I want it to be a secret. So if I can keep it a secret that long, it will be a freaking miracle, but I'm gonna try. I told him I want to build something, like something big, which is why I would need the garage because it's too big to build in my room. I don't know if it's gonna work. I mean, as a cosplayer, I'm usually building something anyway, so it's not like super unrealistic that I would be building something. So far, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Oh my god. I was just making a sign for the door that goes out to the garage. Like, hey, this is a construction zone. Wink, wink, wink. But I was so focused on trying to fit the word in and make all the letters skinny that it now says construction zone. Oh, I'm not redoing this. So the first step, grab all of the supplies that we're gonna need. I made a little list here. So let's go. We'll come back for that. Okay, hi guys, construction starts tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you guys then. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. It is day one of the garage makeover. I am so excited to get started on this project. I've been wanting to make over the gym for months, but I figured it would be a good birthday present for B, but now the day has finally come. So excited. So I think I'm going to start by removing all of these like random nails. There's a bunch of them. Start filling in all of these holes. Oh man, there's some big ones up there. I think the only thing I'm not gonna fix is this giant hole, just because we don't have a ton of time and I can't be bothered. I don't want to do it. Let's get moving. This broom will come in handy. All right, it's time to move the weights. B, this is how you know I love you. Alright, if I seem really buff next time you guys see me, you'll know why. Alright, I moved the power rack just enough that I can like fit behind it to paint. I'm not moving that whole thing. So these two hooks that are up here, I know this one always gets in the way of his power rack, but I also know that he hangs his bands on them too. I think I'll take them down to get them out of the way and then maybe give him a new hook for his bands. Alright, so now I'm gonna fill in all of those random holes that are all over the wall. We're just gonna fill them up with spackle, smooth them out, sand it off, paint over it, and good as new. This guy, these are kind of peeling up. I think what I do is just go ahead and peel them off. sometimes you gotta make it worse to make it better. Now they're nice and smooth. So Brennan just called to tell me that he is on his way home early. Come on, dude. So I'm gonna wrap it up for today. I gotta go hop in the shower because I'm covered in paint. He's totally gonna know what's up if he sees me like this. But yeah, I think we're in a good place for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm happy with the progress. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so it is day 2. Let's head out to the gym. Okay, so we got the tape down on this wall. It's looking so good. So I think I'm gonna bring in the bigger storage unit. You guys should have seen me trying to load this thing in my car by myself. Woo, comical. But I have a little cart here, so hopefully I'll be able to get it out of my car and into the gym. You don't know. It's heavy. That went surprisingly well. Alright, B just called that he's on his way home. Again, another great day of progress. Actually got more done than I was expecting. So, good work for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Alright, today is day 3, and today is a short day, so I want to go ahead and get outside to the gym ASAP because we don't have as much time as we've had on these other days. Today's plan is to get the final coat up on the chalkboard wall. So the chalkboard wall should be completely done today, which is awesome. And I also want to get the storage cabinets built. It's all finally starting to come together. It's starting to look like what I imagined when I set out on this project. I am really excited about today. I think getting those storage cabinets built and put up is gonna make it feel like I'm so much further along than just where we are right now. I'm excited. I'm ready to get out there. Okay, let's go. Dude, he's gonna freak out when he sees this. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna be able to obviously have them side by side because this TV is so big, but it'll probably be something more like that. Dude, it looks great. That's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Laying here outside the construction zone. I'm not allowed in, so.
I mean, you are a babe, so what do you think is going on out there?
I've been told that there are small dinosaurs being hatched, like a little nursery.
Have you heard any dinosaur noises?
I haven't, which is kind of suspicious. What do you think?
Oh my god, don't do that. What is wrong with you?
I was gonna open it like this. What do you think?
Oh my gosh, no.
I have no idea.
Happy birthday, Dudo.
Thank you.
I love you.
Love you too.
Mwah. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, so when I woke up this morning, I was thinking about these units here and how there would have to be a gap in between them. What if we just add another one of the small units so it can all look really neat and all together? It also would help support the weight of the TV. It also would give B some more storage for his gym stuff. Another one. All right, back to the store, you guys. I had no idea if I could do that by myself. Yes! I'm like freaking out a little bit right now. Look, you guys, it worked. I had no idea if it was gonna work. Didn't know if I would be able to like transfer the TV onto it by myself. I didn't know if it would all fit. I mean, I measured, but like I just didn't really know how it would fit. It looks perfect. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show him this. Oh my God. I finally put the final coat of paint on the wall. I am done with paint. I'm so tired. All of the walls have 3 coats of paint on them, drywall, primer, and sealer. And then they each have 2 coats of whatever the chalkboard color in the gray paint. That's a lot of paint. I'm tired. Rip me. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna call it a night, I think. As I'm laying here, I'm thinking, oh, the ceiling really needs to be done too. F that, not right now. Tomorrow's the big day that I get to show him what I've been working on out here. Sorry, I'm laying down, I'm so tired. I'm excited, I can't wait to show him. I'm ready to call it a night though, so good night. Spooky lighting. It's like a Halloween video all of a sudden. Okay, bye. Oh my God, Brendan's gonna be home in like 2 hours. I have so much to do. Oh, okay, I better get to work. Oh my God. No. That was a bad start. Are you okay? Back away slowly. Hey dude.
Hey.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Okay, so I have a confession.
Okay.
I've been misleading you a little bit.
Okay.
Intentionally misleading.
Okay.
There's no dinosaurs in there.
What?
I also haven't been building anything.
I don't believe you.
Alright. Whenever you're ready, dude.
What the frickin' heck? What the hell? What? Oh my God. It's amazing. How the hell did you do this on your own? What?
You look surprised,
Wow.
Huh? What do you think?
It's amazing. Holy crap.
So this obviously is a chalkboard wall, so you can keep track of your reps and sets and lifting words like that. You can do vocab words even. You have a new table, so we don't have to, you know,
Oh man.
we don't have to worry about the remote falling down.
Wow. God, it's so cool and neat in here.
Okay, obviously we have the new storage units here.
You did this.
No? It surprised you?
Yeah. It's just like entirely renovated. It's amazing.
What? I love you, dude.
I love you too.
Happy birthday. Look, he likes it. Oh, I'm sweaty. Are you sure you want to do that?
Yep.
Yay. I love you.
I love you too. I can't believe you did all this.
Happy birthday! He likes it. You want to guess what the hardest part was?
Moving all the stuff around to get to the wall to actually
Moving
paint
the weights. They're so heavy.
it. No wonder you were so sore.